आ आ
Hello children, welcome to the science subject. This is the fourth standard, fourth lesson. The name of the lesson is Force, Work and Energy. In this lesson, there are some learning objectives. Define force, work and energy. Describe the types of force. Describe the types of simple machines. Identify the sources and forms of energy. Okay, first we have to do the warm-up activity. Okay, let us start. The question is tick the activity that uses a push and use dot for the activity that uses a pull. Let's look at the picture. The first one, this activity shows pull. Next one, the B1. This picture shows the activity push. Next, the third one is the C1 also. Push activity there. And the D1 is pull. Next one, checkpoint. Choose the correct option. First one, rubbing two surfaces against each other in an example of which of the following types of force? Options are mechanical force, muscular force, frictional force. The answer is frictional force. Second one question, which of the following is a push? Picking flowers, lifting a school bag or closing door. The correct answer is closing door. This is a push activity. The third one, the force used by person to close a door is an example of which of the following types of force? Options are gravitational force, mechanical force or elastic force. The answer is mechanical force. One more checkpoint in this lesson. State true or false. The first one, work means any physical and mental activity. Yes, this is the true statement. Second one, a bottle opener is an example of a lever. Yes, this statement a true statement. Third one, woodcutter is an example of a wedge. Yes, this statement is a true. The falling of object is due to frictional force. This one is the wrong. Why? Because the falling of object is due to gravitational force. The first one is true, second one is true, third one is true, the fourth one is wrong. Next exercise part, tick the correct answers. First one, which of the following activities is a push? Kicking a ball, this activity is a push. Second one, dash is defined as the ability to do work. Answer is energy. Energy is defined as the ability to do work. Third one, friction is caused when objects are rubbed against each other. Fourth one, water stored in a dam can be used to provide hydroelectricity. Fifth one, which simple machine do villagers used to draw water from wells? The answer is Pule. The first one is kicking a ball. Energy, when objects are rubbed against each other. Hydroelectricity and Pule. The next one question is B1. In which of the following situations work is being done? Write W for work done and NW if work is not done. The first one is playing tennis. Yes, this is the work done. Second one, sitting and reading a book. Not done. Work is not done. Third one, running after a cricket ball. Yes, this is the work. Fourth one, pushing against a mountain. This is not work done. Work is not done. Fifth one, a man pushing himself against a wall. Okay, this activity shows work is not done. Sixth one, flying a kite. This is the work done. Then the next question is match the columns. C question is match the columns. Column 1 and column 2. There are the two columns. So we have to match with a column 2 from the column 1 to a column 2. First one, energy obtained from the sun. The option is C, solar energy. Second one, energy obtained from burning fuels. The answer is chemical energy. Third one, energy present in the earth interior. That is the answer F, geothermal energy. Fourth one, energy obtained from splitting of an atom. That is the atomic energy. Fifth one, energy generated due to the force of running water. That is the hydroelectricity. The last one, energy generated due to the force of moving air. That is the wind energy. Okay, this is the answer. And we matched with a column 1 and column 2. The next one part is answer the following questions. Short answer questions. The first one is define the force, work and energy. First one, short answers questions. Define the force, work and energy. Answer. Force. It is a push or pull on an object. Work. It is any activity that involves moving an object or body through a distance. Energy. It is an ability of the body to perform work. The second question is, what is friction? Answer. Friction is what comes into play when two surfaces are rubbed against each other. Yes, what is friction? Friction is what comes into play when two surfaces are rubbed against each other. The third question, give example of an activity in which work is done. The activity is playing tennis. This is the example of an activity. The work is done. Fourth one, name the 5 simple machines. Answer. Name of the simple machines are as follows. Lever, pulley, wheel and axle, inclined plane, wedge. The fifth question is, what is chemical energy? Answer. Fuels are natural substances that have energy stored in them called chemical energy. Sixth one, what is the geothermal energy? Answer. The interior of the earth is very hot and is a source of energy called geothermal energy. The next one is the long answer questions. First one, differentiate between muscular and mechanical force. It's a two columns, one for the muscular force and one more for the mechanical force. Okay, the first one about muscular force. It is the force exerted by our muscles. Example for muscular force, lifting a school bag. Next, the second column, that is about mechanical force. The force used to move the object by making contact with another object is called mechanical force. For example, pushing a door. Next, second question. Explain frictional force. What are its effects in our daily life? Answer. Frictional force comes into play when two surfaces are rubbed against each other. This force always acts opposite to the direction of motion of the object. In a daily life, frictional force helps us to walk without slipping on the floor. Next, third question is, write a short note on atomic energy. Answer. The energy that is produced by splitting of an atom is called atomic energy. Fourth one. What is a wheel and axle? Give three examples of machines that make use of wheel and axle. Answer. A wheel is made up of a wheel fixed to a rod. As the axle turns, the wheel attracted to it also rotates. Such a combination helps to move objects or change their direction. Machines that use wheel and axle are steerings, wheel in car, bicycles, pedal and screwdriver. Okay, these are the examples of mechanic machines that make use of wheel and axle. The fifth question, what is energy? Mention its forms. Answer. Energy is defined as the ability of a body to perform work. Various forms of energy are light energy, heat energy, mechanical energy, chemical energy, electrical energy, magnetic energy and sound energy. Okay, these are the types of energy. These are the forms of the energies. Next, the last question, sixth one is, energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. Justify the statement. Answer. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It can be only changed from one form of another. Example, in a car, chemical energy of a fuel is converted into the heat energy. Okay, this is the exercise part of the fourth lesson. Complete the phase. Bye children. Keep exploring.